In Jerusalem, history and politics often collide, right? And this week, well, it was no different. At a high-profile event marking the opening of the restored Pilgrim's Road in the city of David, Israeli Prime Minister Mr. Benjamin Netanyahu used the moment to send a direct message to Turkish President Mr. Recep Tayyip Erdogan. With the US Secretary of State Mr. Marco Rubio and Ambassador Mike by his side, Mr. Netanyahu declared that Jerusalem is and will always remain the undivided capital of Israel. His words were more than ceremonial. They were a sharp dig at Erdogan, who had often projected himself as defender of Palestinian claims over the eastern Jerusalem. The event itself added a lot of weight to Mr. Netanyahu's remark. The Pilgrim's Road, a 2,000-year-old pathway that once led Jewish worshippers to the Second Temple, was reopened as a symbol of Jewish heritage and deep historical ties to Jerusalem. Now, for Israel, it's not just about any archaeological site. It is an evidence of ancient roots and sovereignty. In the meantime, for critics, such projects, they are seen as an attempt to cement the political control over the land. What makes this even more significant is the unmistakable American endorsement. The presence of Mr. Rubio underscores Washington's continued recognition of Jerusalem as Israel's capital, a policy shift first formalized under Donald Trump and maintained since. It signals to the world that the US will not retreat from the position, regardless who is protesting, be it Ankara, be it Tehran, be it Ramallah. In the meantime, Erdogan has frequently positioned himself as the champion of Jerusalem's Muslim identity, often accusing Israel of occupation and calling for international pressure. But Netanyahu's declaration that this is our city, Mr. Erdogan, it will never be divided again, it was direct attack. Maybe a reminder also that Israel is unwilling to compromise on its most sensitive and symbolic issue. And wait, at the heart of this clash, there lies a deeper consent. Heritage versus politics, archaeology versus diplomacy, and symbolism versus sovereignty. For Israel, Jerusalem is eternal. For Erdogan, it is a rallying cry for Muslim solidarity, and for the US, it is a cornerstone of the Middle East policy.